Hey, good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel here, Deadwood Productions. I'm going to make a quick video of just the trailer restoration project we did, I don't know, a little over a week ago. Me and my boys and my daughter assisted me a little bit too. I got one of the comments on one of my new videos asked to show a little bit more of that trailer restoration. So we didn't really plan on making any videos for that, but I do have some video and some photos that we took while that project was happening. So I will share that into this video here. So what you're seeing here is the trailer as it sat for probably 15 years. I'm not sure quite that many, but this is after we stripped all the boards off of it. It looked like this. At this point, we was just making sure the metal was still good and getting all the rust ground off of it. Once we knew we had good metal, I decided to move forward with the trailer project. And we went out and bought some new boards for it and some new rubber, new tires on it. The boards are 2x8 by 10 foot treated lumber. That was probably the most expensive part of the project, about $350 for those. And then the tires, about $190 on those. But that's really all I had in the project other than some black spray paint. We did 2 coats of that, a couple test runs there, and then we just painted the whole thing black. Originally was going to paint it back to red like it was, but decided to stick with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.